The memcpy function C copies data from a source to a destination. Memcpy is in the string.h header file, so we will hash include string.h. We will also want to print our answer out, so we will hash include stdio.h. We are working with arrays today, so let's give ourselves a constant length variable to work with. Const size t len equals 5. If you're not familiar with size t, it is similar to an int, but doesn't store negative numbers. Next, we'll give ourselves a destination array. Int dest array of size len. After that, we will give ourselves a source array that holds 1 through 5. So, int source array equals an array containing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, let's use memcpy. So, memcpy dest source len times size of int. What this call means is start copying to dest source and copy over len times the size of an int number of bytes. In this case, that would mean copy over 20 bytes, assuming a 4-byte integer. Next, let's print out dest. If you didn't know, C is no built-in way to just print an array, so we will have to print it with a loop. For int I equals 0, I less than len, I plus plus, inside the loop we will printf double quotes %d \n, then printf the item at the particular index in dest. And that's our code. If we run the code, you'll see it prints out 1 through 5, each on their own line. You aren't just limited to copying over full arrays though, you can copy just slices of an array. Let's delete the memcpy line for now to change it. Memcpy dest source plus 1 3 times size of int. What this says is copy to dest the data starting 1 integer into the source array and only copy over 3 integers, which, if you follow that, should mean that destination now contains 2, 3, and 4. To get this outcome, we'll have to slightly change the loop, because we no longer need to loop over the entire length of source. So let's change the stop condition on the loop to be I less than 3. If we now run this code, you'll see 2, 3, and 4 printed out. One final note, you'll probably notice that memcpy is very similar, if not identical, to strcpy. So when do you use strcpy over memcpy? If you're using strings, use strcpy. With anything else, you should use memcpy. Strncpy is exactly like strcpy, but with an extra wrinkle. If you already know what strcpy does, you know it copies the source string to a destination. So here, the string t that holds 6 characters is equal to the string world. The destination string s can hold 15 characters. Calling strcpy of s, t here would copy the s into the destination t and make t now hold the string world. The wrinkle strncpy throws in is that it can now limit how many characters from, in this case t, can be copied into s. So if I called strncpy of s, t, 3, that would only modify the string s for it to now be were. Only the first 3 characters of t would be copied over, because that's what you told strncpy to do. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.